What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Polyswarm, which has been gaining 21% in value in the last 24 hours, making it just over 2 cents per coin. So what has caused this pump? Where is it heading to next? That's what we're going to be going through today, looking at its next target. Is it going to keep going up in value? Is it going to drop back down? Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell, or should you just hold on to it? A lot of questions have been asked, so I'm going to try and answer as many as possible, covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and obviously giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and so on. So as you can see, according to Coinbase, Polyswarm is the first top gainer in the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel guys and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So let's have a look here. In the last hour itself, we managed to gain a percentage. However, we can see it's slowly starting to drop back down in value. Over the last day, 21%. We did see it here about nearly hitting the 3 cents target. As you can see, 0.0295. When was this? Very early this morning. Drop back down here, and right now slowly starting to pick up in value. Over the week, just about 1% up, so it's been quite volatile, up and down, but overall it has been more or less volatile and fluctuating at the current price range. And over the month, just about 2% down. So again, as you can see, it's been volatile, but more or less it's been averaging at the current price range over the whole month. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up 485% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $3 million, which is a huge amount of money that is being traded on NCT at the moment. So yes, NCT is another name for Polyswarm. So yeah, it's been doing very well. We've seen a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. As you can see, 70% buy against 30% sell. So there's been way more buyers than sellers at this point, meaning more and more people are getting to know about the crypto, stacking it up and just investing into it, especially that it's only worth about just under above 2 cents. Sorry, even if you invest about 20, 30, 40 dollars, you'll probably get a decent amount of coins for that value. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I get into that, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we have also got the SMA indicator, which is a purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at 0.02510, and is trading just below that, 0.02450. So more or less is performing like it's meant to, as it's very close to its average price, which is the one in here in purple. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. So zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking a little bit bearish, going in a negative direction. And again, it's not like it's going to go for a major drop in value or anything like that. The lines are not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the negative direction. So minimal decreases in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range. And also, the only reason we're seeing these two lines going in a negative direction is because of the major, I wouldn't say major drop, but quite of a drop that's taken place here in the last half an hour to an hour. As you can see, a huge red candlestick means quite a bit of a drop. So the graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep dropping, it's going to keep losing value and so on, but I am expecting it to potentially peak back up in value to about 0.028 over the coming hours, and then drop back down. So it's going to be a cycle of ups and downs over the coming hours, as it's been over the last couple of hours as well. As you can see, up, down, and it's likely to carry on using the same pattern about a couple of times before it drops down to about 0.02200, fluctuating around this current price target. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, we've got quite of a mixed signal. The blue line is looking bearish, going in a negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, going in a positive direction. So once again, we do have mixed signal. Just like the last few days, it's been very volatile, but overall it has been fluctuating at the current price range, and that is exactly what I'm expecting to take place over the next couple of days as well. So towards the end of next week, more or less, is going to fluctuate around 0.024 to 0.026. It's going to be volatile. You're going to have green days, you're going to have red days. You may peak up to about 3 cents, drop down to about 1 cent, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral, which is all that matters. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of days, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? Now we are looking a little bit more bullish, a little bit more positive. We've got the blue line looking bullish and the orange line more or less flat out going in a straight line. So the overall outcome over the coming weeks, I'm expecting a positive outcome. So in this case, I'm talking about mid-July to late July. We should expect an overall increase in value on Polyswarm. Again, I'm not saying it's going to be a major increase or a massive pump or anything like that. It is going to be minimal. We are going to have red days, green days. It's going to be a mixture again, but the overall outcome seems to just about be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. However, guys, if there are any major changes or any major updates that come across in between that time that can have a potential impact on the value of Polyswarm, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And obviously, Bitcoin plays a major role in this game. So obviously, if Bitcoin goes up in value quite majorly, then the whole crypto, not the whole crypto, but most cryptos will also pump. And if it decides to drop in value quite a bit, then the whole market will do so as well. So if any of you guys are interested in getting daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day and want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it goes up to $29.99. And again, guys, this offer is only valid for 100 members, so there is literally a limited amount of space left. But for the first 100 members that join for $14.99, don't worry, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So what do you get for this? You get to know what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, with an explanation as to why I invested into it, the reason, and also several tricks that I use when investing into cryptos, and also daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin, to what to expect that day, that week from the crypto market. Is it heading upwards, downwards, and answering your questions, any queries you guys may have, and also giving you guys analysis on different cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or any queries before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. So let's get back to NCT and its candlesticks punch out the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone at the moment, and we are in the middle part of the red zone, so we are not too far off from hitting the green zone. However, I'm not expecting us to hit the green zone anytime soon. Potentially in late July to early August is when I'm expecting us to head into the green zone. But for now, more or less, we are going to be fluctuating in the red zone. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have regarding NCT, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try and keep you guys updated in my next video on NCT. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let's try and hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me as well. And yeah, I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.